got a new announcement and a new series coming. So let's hop into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Shout outs to the people who were participating in some of the comparisons and the polls I've been doing, Nonix Slayer and Leon Azemi, as well as one more person, Barnababy Walgate. So now let's hop into the video. Hey guys, so coming at you with another video. Audio might not be as good just because I'm a little farther away from the microphone and my phone, but little announcement. Got a new camera coming in. Got a review of my old action camera or whatever. That camera was pretty bad, but I will give you my honest thoughts on that camera. I realized that in order to get a new camera, I can't really get an action camera because obviously audio is not as good and the image quality is not as good. Even though it says like 4K, great picture and everything, it's not going to be as good as a what do you call it? Like a point and shoot or a DSLR. So I decided to go pick up a used Canon ELPH 330 HS. So it was a camera from like 2014, really good point and shoot camera. That's like all the YouTubers use for vlogging. So I picked that up. It's coming in soon, so I'm gonna do a review on that. I got a bunch of reviews coming. I hope you guys all enjoyed my review on the Mixeater Bluetooth headphones. I've been using those actually. I got them right here. Been using those a ton. They sound amazing, honestly, guys. If you guys want a good pair of headphones, go check out that video. Probably link it somewhere in the description. But yeah, if you guys are looking for some good Bluetooth headphones, definitely want to go check those out. And so the announcement, and then so that was the announcement. The new series. I'm probably going to create a series known as Favorite Tech. Other YouTubes do this, like MKBHD does like a favorite tech of the month, stuff like that, or like what's in my tech bag, what they use, stuff like that. So basically, I'll just go through products that I think are really good, stuff that you guys should check out, and just give you my overall thoughts and opinions. No bias. As you guys know, I'm 100% non-biased on this. I've not ever been paid or sponsored to promote a product. The only products I get to review that are just given to me for free. So I'm not paid to give any biased opinions. I'm 100% honest with you guys, and hopefully gonna stick by that in the future. Probably will. Honestly, I mean, what do you mean probably will? I will. I'm never swayed by money or anything like that. I always give you guys my honest opinions of technology. I don't want to lead you in a direction where you're buying something that's a piece of crap. Like this camera I got over here. I'm gonna not recommend that at all. It's garbage. Screen's awful. I'll get into that video. But yeah, so favorite tech series coming soon. Probably get a bunch of episodes on there because I got tons of tech that I love. Honestly, like this mouse right here. This mouse is pretty dope. It's because my laptop's in here. It's favorite mouse. What's it? One of my favorite speakers. I got a Google Home Mini. Got a new microphone the company sent me. Honestly, favorite headphones right here. My Tozo. These are dope. All that good stuff, guys. So if you're looking forward to that series, just let me know in the comment section down below. Also, I've been posting a lot of comparisons. I'm looking on my channel, doing some posts comparing like different products. I'm hopefully going to get into some comparison videos, stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications for that free shout out. Use my Fortnite supporter creator code, helps out the channel, makes me make better content, stuff like that. I'm looking forward to get that new camera to use and film on, because honestly, audio is probably going to sound better than my phone, and the video is probably going to be a little better too, just because it's a point and shoot camera. And usually phone cameras these days are good, but they're not as good as just dedicated cameras. This one's a little old, but it still shoots 1080p video, so the image quality is not going to get any worse. So yeah, do all that good stuff, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.